What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it says about 65% if you are new and are not subscribed. Well, then what are you doing? Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. We have a great time talking about stocks, investments, tech news. If you want more information, you want to talk more, have some good times about talking about other tech news with new products coming out like OnePlus's smartwatch, Apple's VR headset, and other stock-related news, check out my podcast called Michael on the Mic. Today we're going to talk about MP Materials. This stock has been on a roller coaster lately. We saw it dip all the way down to $32 a share just the other day when the market was down, and then it bounced back during the same day to over $37 a share. It went back up nearly 20% from highs just in that one day. And this stock has been on a roller coaster ride. Just a couple of weeks ago, the stock price was sitting right around $50 per share. And then they announced a secondary stock offering. So this secondary stock offering, we didn't have specific details on it, but now we have officially have the numbers, the secondary stock offering, the pricing of the 6 million shares of common stock is going to be at $35 per share. So right around where the stock is right now. In addition to this, MP Materials, they also issued underwriters over allotment is an additional 900,000 shares. They said they're going to use these proceeds to help with corporate, expenses, help grow the business, and things like that. Right now, where I see this stock, I am very excited about this stock. Not only because of Joe Biden's infrastructure bill that they're planning to propose and pass very shortly, probably within 2021, very soon. The thing I'm really excited about that is that they've already put precautions and things into place, put systems into place to make sure companies like MP Materials succeed. Because right now, MP Materials is the only company in the Western Hemisphere that mines the rare earth magnets that is needed for every single electric vehicle. Any electric vehicle out there needs to have this rare earth magnet, and MP Materials is basically the only company in the Western Hemisphere that mines this magnet. All the other ones are in China. So MP Materials is essentially helping the U.S. reduce its reliance on China for rare earth metals, and this is going to be more and more important as the years go on, because this rare earth material from China is needed in every electric vehicle, and as more electric vehicles are produced, China can always up the price. If they have complete market share of that, they can just up the price. They can control it, and that can cost a lot for the U.S. and for electric vehicle companies in other countries around the world. So the thing with MP Materials right now is that MP Materials, while they do mine that rare earth magnet, they can't actually process it. It still needs to be sent to China. So even though there is a mine in the US, mines in China, everything eventually ends up in China to be processed. Good news here is that MP Materials is already working on having a processing facility so they can process the rare earth material in the US so it doesn't have to be sent to China. That is expected by 2022, and that's going to drive the stock price up even further. Right now, the U.S. is reliant on China for about 80% of its supply of rare earth elements, and that 80% is consistently decreasing as MP Materials continues to grow. Recently, MP Materials, they announced their earnings, and they were much better than expected. They knocked those out of the park. I'll link the video down below where I talk about those, but they did much better than expected, and they're growing at a very rapid rate. So recently, the main reason why their stock price took a pretty big hit was because of this secondary stock offering. But right now, analysts are very bullish on MP Materials. Wall Street, very bullish on it. Seeking Alpha, they're very bullish on it. Everyone is very bullish on this company because two main reasons. First of all, $5.71 billion market cap is not unreasonable. Yes, it's very high for the revenue they're doing, but they're growing at a very fast rate. So a couple of reasons why I love this stock. First of all, they are basically the building block for electric vehicle companies. Every single electric vehicle company, every single electric vehicle that's ever produced needs this rare earth magnet. That's reason number one. Second reason, they're the only US-based company that mines this material. They're the only company really in the Western Hemisphere outside of China that does this. That's reason number 2. Third reason is that they're going to be having a processing facility on site for their company, so they don't have to be reliant and send the material over to China to be processed. And that will be huge. Once they can do that, they'll be completely self-sufficient. You don't need to send anything to China, and that has been their goal. So that is reason number 3. And the fourth reason is with the Joe Biden administration. A lot of people are concerned about environmental issues with mining, but Joe Biden and their administration wants electric vehicles. And if they want electric vehicles, they want electric buses, they need to have these rare earth magnets. So that's reason number 4. So for all those reasons, I think MP Materials can easily be a $15-20 billion company down the road. Right now, the valuation is high. It is predicting that they're going to execute pretty perfectly down the road. But if you see it, like if they're able to deliver on their promise of having being able to process the material in the U.S., well, then that makes them completely self-sufficient, not relying on China anymore. That's going to, I think, take their stock price to a whole new level when they have that. When they officially have that facility and that done, that's going to bring their stock price up significantly, that one announcement. So you're not going to want to, wait till that's announced. I think once that's announced, going to cause the stock price to skyrocket. And also when Joe Biden and his administration gets the infrastructure bill passed for clean energy, electric vehicles, that's going to push this up even more because this is the building block for electric vehicle companies. I'm bullish on this company. I like it. Let me know your thoughts. Do you think MP Materials is a good company? If you've never heard of it before, let me know and we could do another deep dive into this stock. Love talking about this company based in the US. Those 4 main reasons are why I really, really like it long term, why I'm extremely bullish on it. And I easily think it could go back up to its all-time highs of $50 a share. I think that's no problem. I think it's going to reach that and exceed it very, very soon. So let me know what you guys think. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to get your 4 free stocks, each valued up to $1,600 when you download the Webull investing app using the link down below. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.